By the end of this video, you will know the 4 pillars of growing your TikTok following to 10k. Honestly, you can grow 10k followers on TikTok hella fast. As we all know, blowing up on TikTok is easier than any other platform. But why can't you do it? You'll probably find the answer in this video. And why do we want 10k followers? Obviously, to join the Creator Rewards program and make it out the hood. Okay, so who am I and why you should listen to me? I've been growing TikTok accounts for a while now. I currently run multiple TikTok accounts and I make money with the Creator Rewards program. I also have a Discord community of 600 people and I get questions like this asked daily from people trying to grow on TikTok. So I see the most common struggles why people are stuck below 1000 followers, so I'll probably mention it in this video and show you how you can fix it as well. Not to waste your time, here are the 4 pillars you need to grow to 10k followers in under 30 days. Number 1 is bait and switch method. Number 2 is branding and avatar. Number 3 is a law of consistency. And number 4 is quantity over quality. Yes, you heard me right. Now, all of this might seem confusing, but don't worry, I'm gonna break it all down for you. The pillar number 1 isn't really a pillar, but it's a method. I teach this to my premium members in my Discord, and I believe this is one of the most powerful methods to grow 10k followers really fast. The bait and switch method pretty much means that you just find a really trending content style that you exploit for fast growth. Let me show you an example of what I mean. Let's take this niche for example, your month, your thing. As we all know, slide posts are not monetizable on TikTok, but they go insanely viral. So what we can do is we can exploit these slide posts to grow 10k followers really quickly. Now I recommend growing to 12k followers or somewhere around that. And once we hit like 12k followers, we can start posting 1-minute videos in the same kind of niche. So let's say you were posting your month, your thing, and talking about food, like your month, your cake, or your month, your pizza. And once you reach 12k followers, just start posting 1-minute videos about food and any type of content that would relate to foodies. And you can apply for the Creator Rewards program. So once you get accepted, you don't have to worry about your videos being disqualified because now you're posting 1-minute videos. So you got into the Creator Rewards program really fast, and now you can really start your whole page and growing it because you're going to be making money from every single post you post. It doesn't matter if it gets 1000 views or 10,000 views. And the best thing is that we can implement this method for pretty much any niche or content style. We can even repost streamer clips or movie recaps, and we can reach the 10k or 12k followers and just switch our content style, and voila, we can go ahead and start getting paid for posting on TikTok. So that's the bait and switch method. All right, number 2 is branding and avatars. So what's the connection there? I see many beginners trying to grow on TikTok, and then I check their profile and the branding and overall the profile looks like absolute trash. They have some random ass profile picture with some username that has dots or underscores in it, and overall just the page looks messy. And the videos, each one of them have a different kind of theme. Now let's do a quick experiment. I'm gonna show you 2 accounts, and which one would you follow? Probably the one that's on the right. Now if I would ask you why, you'd probably say it just looks better and way more welcoming. This is what you want to do with your profile as well. Invest some time so you can make a quality profile people just want to follow to because it just looks so good and aesthetic. Because remember, your whole profile vibe is the first thing somebody is going to see when they come from one of your videos they've seen on the For You page. So if that doesn't convert them right away, you just lost a follower. Because many people get a lot of views, but then I see that they have only 100-200 followers because they cannot convert their viewers to followers. Now another thing is including an AI avatar. This is a super good idea. As we all know, influencers have a lot of followers and they make a lot of money. So why do people watch influencers? Because they feel a connection with them. Humans connect to humans and humans want to watch humans. In our case, because we cannot show our face, we're building a faceless page, we can easily create a faceless avatar using AI. Because if people see the same avatar over and over again, they're still going to connect with that page on a deeper level rather than if they're just watching some faceless non-branded page. For example, this fish news page really blew up because there was some personality to it. Also, Rick and Morty shower thoughts blew up because there's some personality to it. Or this Riddleman page, it blew up, it grew like 20,000 followers in no time. It's because people see personality and something human-like in the page, and that's what we want to bring in our page as well. So I definitely recommend if you create an avatar page and brand your whole page. Law of consistency or law of constancy, you've probably heard it a million times. This is our number 3 on the list, but trust me, this is one thing that's definitely going to guarantee success everywhere in life. The biggest mistake I see people make is they post 1 or 2 TikToks and then they go into the Discord group and start crying that they're not getting views. Getting your first video viral as a total beginner is like 1 in a million chance. You're just not gonna do it if you don't have any experience previously on TikTok or growing big accounts. So the only way you can replicate success of big pages is just doing constant reps, because that's what they all did in the beginning as well. It's like going to the gym. If you do constant reps, you're going to get better. You're not gonna see much improvements after your first gym session, but after your first couple of tens of times, you're gonna see some pretty good improvements. So here's my golden rule of thumb. Whenever you pick a niche that you want to test, before you even create the account, create 20 or 30 posts, videos for that niche, quality video. So that once you create the account and you start posting and maybe your first 5 videos only get like 100, 200, 300 views, you don't get demotivated and just stop and quit. You'll have these 20 to 30 videos, so let's say 25, and you just have to post them because you've already made them. So what's the point of not posting them, right? Because from my personal experience, 20 to 30 videos is the sweet spot to really test if a niche is working or not. 10 videos is really not gonna cut it. So just make 20 to 30 and then you'll be able to see if this niche is worth pursuing or not. And this works for any other platform like Instagram or YouTube as well. Because remember, even the best growth expert on TikTok is not gonna be able to tell you if a niche idea you have in mind is gonna be viral or not. Once you post more and once you get better, once you grow bigger accounts, you will have that intuition inside saying, okay, this might do well and this probably is not gonna do that good. But still, you have to test. You have to test to know for sure. This is like how everything works in business overall and in life. So with each new account, you just have to test to see whether it's working or not. So this brings us to the last pillar. Pillar number 4 is quantity over quality, at least in the beginning. I am totally aware that this sounds backwards, and for the most part and everywhere in life, you want to do it quality over quantity. But on TikTok or any other social media, in the beginning, it's actually the other way around. By posting a lot of videos in the beginning, you can get a really good idea of what works and what doesn't. Now, of course, you don't want your videos to be really shit, but you also don't want to spend 3 hours on a TikTok video for it to get 0 views because your account is not warmed up. So I recommend in the beginning, post the easier videos or just post a couple of videos to get your account warmed up. And once your account is definitely warmed up and your account is hitting over 200 views, maybe 1K views, then really start posting your best stuff and just start posting your best videos. You just really want to get your first 5 videos out of the way so you can get your account warmed up. Now again, don't take this the wrong way and make bad videos. You must make pretty decent videos because some people just repost stuff or make videos that are created in a couple of minutes, and obviously it's not gonna do well. And most of the times, I always say this, but you're not shadow banned. You just post shitty content. Once you get your first videos out of the way, start posting quality stuff, and trust me, you will see your views explode. All it takes is just one video to blow up. That's why I prefer quantity over quality, because once that one video blows up, all of your other videos also are going to blow up, or at least get a lot of views, because the one viral video is just going to flood over and nurture all of your other videos with views. I hope this video helped, and I guarantee if you implement these steps, you are going to grow way faster, but most importantly, your followers are going to convert way faster. If you still have some questions or if you didn't understand something, join our Discord server, AI Profit. I'm answering questions daily for free inside of there, and many other successful students as well. Also, if you're super serious on getting started, I actually have a free course which shows you all of the steps on getting started completely for free as a beginner. So if you want to get it, just check below in the description and I have linked it there. It's completely for free. See you in the next video, guys. Peace.